For this pattern, I noticed that I always have a red stick on the bottom, and that for pattern number 1, I have one set of 2 blue sticks. For pattern number 2, I have one set of 2 blue sticks plus one set of 2 green sticks. For pattern number 3, I have again my red line on the bottom, one set of blue sticks, one set of green sticks, and one set of yellow sticks. I noticed that my pattern continued in this way. So when I made pattern 4, I again start with my one red stick on the bottom, my set of blue sticks, my set of green sticks, my set of yellow sticks, and then I added a set of pink sticks. And for pattern number 5, I did the same. My red stick on the bottom, one set of blue sticks, one set of green sticks, my yellow sticks, my pink sticks, and then I added a set of orange sticks. If I'm going to describe the pattern in words, I notice that each pattern has a red stick on the bottom, plus I add one set of 2 sticks. If my pattern number is 2, then I add 2 sets of 2 sticks. So for my 10th pattern, I know I'm going to have my one red stick on the bottom, plus I'm going to have 10 sets of 2 sticks. That's going to give me a total of 1 plus 10 multiplied by 2, which equals 21 sticks. If I'm going to do the 100th pattern, it will be almost the same. If I'm going to have 1 stick plus 100 sets of 2 sticks. This means I'm going to have my 1 stick plus 100 multiplied by 2, which is going to give me 201. Is it possible to find another way to find the 100th pattern? Explain my method and reasoning. Well, one of my students in the past has noticed that instead of separating it as one red stick on the bottom and sets of 3 sticks, that my first pattern looks like that it's made of 3 sticks. And they then said my second pattern would be made of 3 sticks plus 2 sticks. So I could also find my 100th pattern using this method, where I have my 3 sticks on the bottom and I add a set of 2 sticks. That means that my 100th would have my 3 sticks on the bottom, but then I would have 99 sets of 2 sticks. Which would still give me 201.